Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be filming my current favorites. Yeah, this is gonna be my first current favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see more tutorials from me or other videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Guys, so I thought we would first start out with skincare. So the first thing for skincare is going to be this Centrifugal Oil Control Foam Wash. This is for acne prone skin. It's clinically proven to remove excess oil, shine, and control shine and doesn't over dry. I really like this. Once I started using this, my face started clearing up so good. And I've been really enjoying this, and my brother has actually started using this too, and I noticed a big difference in his skin. So I would definitely recommend this if you're trying to find a solution for acne prone skin. Alright, so my next favorite is going to be the Summer Color Self Tanning Deep Dark Color. Self-adjusting color for a natural looking tan. This is streak free for all skin tones. This is what it looks like. I really like this. I actually, we have these, I don't have one of those the mitts that you put it on. So I use this little car thingy. I don't know. I'll do a video on like self tanning. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But I like this one. It's really good. The only thing I do not like about it is if you have like dry patches on your elbow and your ankles, or just any place that creases, it gets really dark, and then you're like trying to scrub it off because the color is like really dark in that spot where the other part's just tan, but you have like the little super duper dot. You feel me? You feel me? The next category is going to be lotion. So as you guys know, if you've been on my channel before and you've seen my videos, I go dumpster diving in Bath and Body Works frequently, besides the last 3 weeks because I got caught. And if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting that video soon. I just need to get some more footage, you know. Enjoying their aromatherapy line. I have Comfort, which is vanilla, and Pachu, I don't really know. And then the Stress Relief, which is with Plata something and Spearmint. These two are really good. I love the way this smells. Like, it's just so relaxing. This aromatherapy sleep one, which is lavender and cedarwood. Oh my god, I love this one so much. I don't know what it is about this one and the Comfort one, but I just cannot stop smelling my hands. You put this one right before you go to bed, girl. Therapy Happiness, which is bergamot and mandarin with natural essential oils. This is what happiness looks like, and I really like putting this one in the morning before I go to school. You know, it sets me off right, and I'm like, woo! I could take this. Did that sound weird? I feel like it did. I also love putting this aromatherapy energy essential oil, and I love putting this in my backpack. You know, when I'm feeling tired, just roll it on, and I'm like, ooh, let's go, man. You gonna write a 2-page essay? I got you. It's going to be lips. Yeah, lips. Okay. So I have this margarine, green, orange, and ginger mango lip conditioner. So I love, oh, this is from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. This says it's nutrients dense and anti-aging, all natural, non-GMO, and organic ingredients. So this is what the packaging looks like. It really nice. I kind of left it in my car on accident, so that's why it's like deformed. I actually hate the way it smells. Like, I just don't care for it, but it works so good. So I feel like I've definitely looked past the way it smells. But it's actually really good. I love exfoliating my lips and then putting this on because then my lips just feel so moisturized and they don't feel like they're like peeling. Whereas if you exfoliate and then put like a random Blistex one thingy on, then I feel like my lips are still peeling. But this one, it just like molds them together. I don't really know how to describe it, but this one is golden. I love this aromatherapy sleep one, which portion of this video we're just gonna go and start with how I would do my face. So I've been really loving this Youngblood Mineral primer. This is naturally rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. And I just love the way this feels. And yes, I did get this out of the TJ Maxx dumpster. And it works so good though. Like, I don't know what it is. It just feels so good on the skin. I'm like, yes, girl, yes. All right, moving along. So the foundation that I've been loving is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in Soft Ivory, and this is what it looks like. I really like this. It's very light on the skin. The coverage is pretty good. So then the next thing that I've been like, yes, girl, yes, has been this Quick Impact, Quick Recovery eye cream, and this is from Young Blood. My favorite eyebrow combo at the moment is this J-Cat Beauty Perfect Duo brow pencil, and this is in the shade, I think, medium brown. Oh, dark brown. This is definitely not dark brown. This is what it looks like. It has a spoolie on the other end, and it almost has like this oval shape to it. Let's see if y'all can see that. It has like this, it has an oval shape to it, and I really like it. And the formula is really good. The only problem that I have with this is it's too warm. Like, it doesn't match my eyebrows how it should, and it's too warm. So I've been really liking. Alright, so I've been really liking this Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fills. This is tinted brow gel in medium and dark. And basically, it's just like this little mascara. I keep dropping everything. So basically, it's just like this little mascara spoolie. And the only thing that I don't like about it is it doesn't have something to, like a sifter. So it literally just pulls out a whole bunch of product, and then when you're wiping it, it just gets messy too quickly. And it's too cool tone, so that's why I like to mix it with the J-Cat Beauty one, because that one's too warm and that one's too cool tone. So you mix them together, it's like bomb, perfect. So then the next one we're gonna be going into is this Chilla Ivory Lace Highlighter, and this is what it looks like. It's basically just a big crown that you can carve out and clean up your eyebrows, and it works really good. Coverage is good. The formula is like bomb. All right, so next we're gonna go into the eyeliner. So as you guys know, I suck at doing wing eyeliners, so I've been practicing on that, and I think I've gotten pretty good with it. And I've been using the Jessie Girls liquid eyeliner, probably in the shade Black. So this is what it looks like. It's basically just a felt tip, and it does a really nice line. It is a little bit more sheer, but I'm learning to do wings, so I don't really care. It's a little sheer, which is the downside of it. It's not like a pure black one, but it's fine. We work with it. So, and then I've been really loving this NYX Professional Makeup. This is the eyeliner in Ox, and I really like this formula. It seems to last a very long time, and it's like this gray black color, and I really like the way it looks because it's not as harsh as a black eyeliner would be underneath. Alright, so the next things that I have been loving, and I'm going to try and go through this so quick because I don't want... Alright guys, so the next is going to be mascara and concealer, and I'm going to try and get through this really quick because I don't want this video to be 10 years long. So I've been using this Alvier, is that how you say that? It's basically, this is like a serum that helps make your eyelashes grow, and I've been really liking this. It makes my eyelashes nice and pretty. So I haven't been using it that long to know if it makes a difference, but so far so good. Alright, so moving on to concealer. I've been really loving the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and the Wet n Wild Concealer in Follow Your Bisque. These two work so well, and I'm almost done with this. And I really want to try their contour sticks because I've heard those are really good too. It just, they both have a really nice formula, and this is so full coverage, like, girl. Ooh! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, moving on to a mascara. I've been really loving this waterproof So Lashy mascara. This is the Blast Pro. So this is basically what the wand looks like. It is a very unique wand. This is what it looks like, and then it has like this little ball in the end, so you could just go ahead and get the like the middle section that most people miss. And then I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is so good. It's similar to the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, which I'm guessing you guys have heard over a million times, but it's really good. I can recommend it. And then I really like the Wet n Wild Pout in Love little lipstick, and this is in the shade Love. This is really good, very hydrating, and it's very pink, and then it's kind of stains your lips and it looks really good. Alright, so moving along, we're gonna do bronzers. So my favorite has been the Butter Bronzer, and this is just their, I know they have different shades. Oh wait, this is Dulce de Leche, I think. So this is what it looks like. I broke it, so I had to like pat it back down, so that's why it doesn't look like how it should. And then I have the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte Cosmetics, and I love this one too. It's really good and it really suits your skin tone. And I broke that one too, so I had to press that one down because I'm a klutz. And then I've been really loving the Pixie Beauty Blush Jewel in Peach Honey, and this is what it looks like. I like using the more champagne-y color on my nose and inner corners, and then using both shades on my Rambo, my highlighter. You know what I'm talking about. Don't judge me. Alright, so the next is going to be the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. And this is what it looks like. It is the most beautiful shade I have ever seen in my whole entire life. Like, I never, ever, ever, ever wear blush, but then I got this, I started wearing it, and now I can't stop wearing blush. Like, it's just so pretty. I don't know. I really want to try the rest of them, but I don't think any other blush can compare to this gem right here. Number one is my love Feisty. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this tutorial. I think I hit everything. The only thing that I did not do was like eyeshadow palettes, but I really don't have a favorite eyeshadow palette because I try to use all of my eyeshadow palettes equally. That way they're all getting used and I don't forget about one. So if you guys want to see what eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection, then make sure to like this video. Leave me like a little heart emoji in the comment section. And you guys are beautiful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!